Good morning, Internet family. How you guys doing today? It's a beautiful day out there today. Again, it's Monday, so I've got to go teach class in a little bit. Let's get right into the MasterNode, shall we? Alright, so I watched another YouTube video last night about seeing scams on MasterNodes.online. Now that is something we're thinking about. A lot of these coins are pretty brand new and might be way overvalued, so that's possibly something you need to look out for. Also, if you see an ROI that's really high in the ROI column, sometimes you kind of know that that's something that's brand new and probably is not going to continue to offer that ROI over the long term. Like here we've got this high temperature coin, right? ROI 1700%. That's pretty crazy, right? So let's go take a look at that one. Here's high temperature coin, $7 a day on a MasterNode that right now only costs $154. So 7,000% ROI. But look, it's brand new, right? And you can see most of these MasterNode coins, they come out, they experience some kind of like huge growth here, and then they drop down after that. And that's what we're seeing here, right? So now it looks like it's already dropped down a bit, but is it at the bottom? I don't know. It could continue to drop. I mean, the reality is this ROI is just not that realistic, right? 1700% ROI. Anytime you see a number like that in the ROI column, you can kind of assume that it's a little bit suspect at best, right? I mean, look at that, 1700% ROI. That's crazy. That's super high. Anyway, but you know, it's only a $100 MasterNode, $155, right? So maybe at some point it will pay for itself. Had some big gainers today. Hasn't moved. The market overall hasn't moved too much. It's been pretty much a sideways action today. But Smart Cash is down a little bit more. Smart Cash is down almost $1,000 for MasterNode of that. SIB coin down 2%. That's, I mean, so many MasterNodes in that coin. So definitely a strong network. Dash is down 6%. Speaking of which, let's go look at Dash dominance in a minute. Let's see what else. What other big movers here? Zuma, XUMA, down 16% today, which means the MasterNode is only $327. Let's go look at that one in a minute. Shekel is up to 6% to $341. Absolute is up 22% to $20. Let's take a look at that one. It's only a $20 MasterNode. Pure is up almost 10% to almost $10,000 for a MasterNode. Let's take a look at Pure. We haven't talked about Pure, I don't think, recently. Bitcoin Lightning. That's got to be something new, huh? We'll take a look at that. Why not? Might be interesting. RTax. We'll take a look at that as well. And Social Send showing a little bit of a recovery. Already 12 cents. I did say that you were not going to get a Social Send MasterNode for as low as you could have yesterday. I think that is going to remain true. I'd be very surprised if Social Send dropped back down to the price it was yesterday. So, all right, so we did high temperature coin. Let's take a look at the MasterNode's overall graph. Currently 140,000 MasterNodes out there, adding about 1,000 a day according to this little chart here. But that's just on MasterNodes Online. But again, a lot of people coming into the space with the MasterNodes, right? So interesting. Let's take a look at Dash dominance. Dash dominance down a little bit, but not as much as it was a few days ago. I'm really excited to see this Dash dominance get down to you know, in the 50s, somewhere in there. Because yeah, it's just going to be better for the market to have other coins in that, you know, in that space. So let's take a look at Zuma. Looks like Zuma is a pretty new coin. It's only been out a couple of months. That's a pretty interesting chart there. That's, I mean, that's pretty wild. So it looks like it's gone from just a little bit over 1 cent a coin back to just over 3 cents a coin, with some peaks around 11 cents. Almost 12 cents a coin. So interesting. You need 10,000 of this coin to make a MasterNode, which at current prices of about 3 cents. is $327. So, and that coin pays back $3 a day. So again, very high ROI on this pretty new coin, 320% ROI. But 320% isn't totally crazy for MasterNode, so we're thinking about. So I mean, you know, $300 investment pays you back almost $300 or almost $3 a day right now. So might be worth thinking about this coin here, and it is down almost 16% today. So doesn't seem like a bad day for investment in Zuma coin at XMX. Let's see, it's on and it's only on a couple of exchanges. It's not even on Cryptopia, so. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. Might be worth looking at. Absolute Coin up 22% today. Not sure what precipitated that. Absolute Coin MasterNode is less than $20. You only need 1,000, and they're less than. And they're currently less than 2 cents a coin. And for that, you make about 33 cents a day, $2 a week, $10 a month, and $120 a year. But again, that's at these prices, and I mean, if it ever gets back to where it was kind of towards launch, which is 65 cents, you'd be making quite a bit more on those days. So I don't know, might be worth looking at. All right, let's take a look at Purecoin. Purecoin is a little bit more of a substantial one that's been around for a while. It's been around almost a year already. And it looks like it's hit the low and starting to kind of organically grow in value now. So that might be one worth looking at. A pure MasterNode is almost $10,000. 5,000 pure, it's $9,459 at current market price. But that pays you back almost $250 a day, almost $2,000 a week, almost $8,000 a month, almost $91,000 a year. So $10,000 investment right now with current prices pays you almost $91,000 a year. So yeah, and remember that's at current price, and you know it may rocket back up to, you know, $5 a coin or something. That's not impossible for a coin with, you know, that's already at $1.89. Getting to 5 isn't all that unlikely. And if it gets to $5 a coin, then you're making $500 a day, and you'd be making almost 1,000 a week, and almost 4,000 a month. And at that point, no, I'm sorry, way more. You'd be making. I did that math an order of magnitude wrong, didn't I? You'd be making almost 1,500 a day, right? 131 times 5. So no, you're making like 700 a day, and almost 5,000 a week, and almost 20,000 a month, and almost 50,000. Almost 250,000 a year if it gets back to $5 a coin, which is not impossible for this coin. And this is a more legitimate one. It's on it's been around for a while. Now it is not on that many exchanges, so we're thinking about that too. So I mean, again, all of these investments are a risk. By the way, I don't give investment advice. I don't know if you guys know that, but I'm just looking at the market and talking about the market. In no way advising you on what to do with your money. Bitcoin Lightning. So it looks like it's pretty much bottomed out at a flat spot here. Might be the lowest it's ever been right now at a nickel a coin. 607% ROI, so it's pretty crazy. This is a coin that's only been around, well, looks like 4 or 5 months almost. So it's not brand new. This is Bitcoin Lightning. So the price of a MasterNode is $182, and it will pay you $3 a day, $21 a week, $90 a month, or almost $1,100 a year. So pretty good ROI for a coin that's only $200 for MasterNode right now. So I don't know much about Bitcoin Lightning, but it is on a couple of exchanges. It's been around for a few months, and that looks like pretty good ROI. Now again, if the coin price picks up at all, then definitely it's going to be worth more than that, because if this coin gets to $1, you're talking $50 a day on what right now would be an investment of only $182. So again, you're really looking for a coin that's going to put money back in your pocket on the daily ROI, but also something that hopefully will rise in value as well. So, and that's the problem here, is that you do have to speculate and try and figure out what's going to rise in value. Okay, RTAX or XAX. This is a coin that's only been around 120 days. So you're talking 4 months there, and but I mean, look at this chart. This chart looks like a kind of a reasonable growth chart. So this might be a real coin here. Right now it's $186 for MasterNode of XAX. So you need 2,500 coins to have this MasterNode, looks like. And for that $186, you're going to make about 61 cents a day, a little less than $5 a week, a little less than $20 a month, a little less than $223 a year. But that's, again, at this price. If this coin gets to $1, that changes the metrics quite a bit. At that point, you're going to make $8 a day, $57 a week, $245 a month, and $3,000 a year on a MasterNode that right now, today, you can buy for $186. So definitely, if you think this chart's going to continue to go up, definitely not a bad idea. Social Send had a little bit of a recovery today. As some of you who have been following my vlog know, Social Send's one of my favorite MasterNode coins. Great team, great, so much fun in the Discord chat. We'll go in the Discord chat and do some stuff in there in a minute. Right now, a Social Send MasterNode pays back $1 a day, $7 a week, $30 a month, $374 a year, and currently a MasterNode costs $740 for 6,250 Social Sends. So, fairly affordable to get into this one. It's not that uncommon. People have $700 to spend on something, and this is a very legitimate MasterNode coin. Some of these other ones, you don't really know what's going on, but this one here has a great team that's putting in really solid work. They've got an Android wallet. They've got a platform where you can actually send Social Send instantly to anybody, anywhere on the world. Let's see. So let's get into the Discord for Social Send. Let's get into common. I've been on here. Okay, so it looks like people are making it rain in here. If you don't know, making it rain in the Social Send Discord just gives a little tiny bit of Social Send to everybody in the room. So I'll go ahead and show you what that process looks like, because I love to. So I'm going to go ahead and storm it. I'm going to storm 0.1. And when you hit storm 0.1, everybody in the room gets a little tiny bit of Social Send. In this case, they're getting 0.004 Social Send a coin. Look at that. Somebody else is making it rain right after me. So looks like it's really, really popping in here today. So just by being in this Discord, you can be collecting a little bit of rain all the time. 0.005. As you can see, because the background there is yellow, that means my name is listed in there, and that means that I am collecting a little bit of rain this morning in the Discord, in the Social Send Discord. One of my favorite, probably my favorite Discord chat of all time, because of this functionality. It's just a lot of fun in here. Let's go ahead and post one of our favorite memes here. Let's post the frog meme, shall we? There he is. There's Kermie. Looking good. So, yeah. That's pretty much what's happening today in the market. And there's our frog friend. Social Send. Yeah. Anyway, I hope I hope you're getting something out of this chat, or out of this vlog every day. I'm enjoying doing it. I'm going to continue to do it, even though I'm feeling a little blue today. I do recommend that everybody alive get into some kind of MasterNode. There's MasterNodes you can buy for $4. It just seems very worth it to get into something like that. And you know, maybe it returns a lot, maybe it doesn't, but just having that skill set to know how to set up a MasterNode, how to shop for a MasterNode, how to purchase the coins for a MasterNode. Just having that skill set alone is going to have a lot of value and drive a lot of growth for you and your portfolio and your IT knowledge as well. So, all right, that's pretty much it. Internet fam, hope you're having a good day. We'll see you mañana.